Bikes, as our riding companions, need to be well cared for. Therefore, cleaning and maintaining bikes is essential, and we should use the correct methods to clean. In this video, let's exchange bike cleaning experiences. 1. Time to cleaning. This depends on your riding frequency and riding environment. It is best to clean it after riding in the rain, otherwise it will reduce the bike's service life. If you ride 3 times or more a week, and the riding distance is long, you can clean your bike once a week or 2 weeks. 2. Preparation tools. Many tools need to be used, such as a cleaning sponge, dry towel, wet towel, small brush, chain cleaner, cleaning agent, parking rack, disposable gloves, virtual flywheel, and parking rack. If there is no special cleaning detergent, you can use dish soap or other low-corrosive cleaning soap instead. Do not use highly corrosive products such as washing powder, which will cause the screws to rust. Organic solvents such as diesel and butter are also not allowed, as they will take away the grease on the bearings. 3. Cleaning sequence. It is best to clean in the following order: chain ring and flywheel, front derailleur and rear derailleur, brakes and brake pads, wheel set and frame. After cleaning, don't forget to wipe clean and oil. 4. Cleaning tips. Before cleaning, we need to know that there are many bearing parts in the bike. It is best not to use a high-pressure water gun to clean them, especially not to impact the bearing position, otherwise, the sludge and water will rush into the bearings and damage it. Brake pads, rim sides, tire surfaces, and other parts must not be contaminated with lubricants or organic solvents. If they are contaminated, they must be washed away with detergent. 1. Clean the chain. Before cleaning, remove the wheels first, and then put the frame on the parking rack. If it is a hydraulic disc brake, use a small clip to clamp it to the caliper. Shift to the high gear ratio and install a virtual flywheel to increase the distance between the chain and the rear fork. Wet the bike first, then smear foam cleaner on the bike and the chain cleaner on the chain. You can use a cloth to pad the chain cleaner when applying it. Wait for a while and then wipe the chain. If there is a lot of dirt, you can use a small brush to deal with it and then pour water while washing. 2. Clean the crankset and flywheel. Use the brush to clean the stains, then dip the brush with the cleaning agent, put the brush against the disc and the flywheel, turn the crank counterclockwise, rinse with water, and finally wipe with a cloth to check whether it is clean. When cleaning the crankset and flywheel, tilt the bike slightly to the right side to prevent water from entering the bottom bracket and shell. 3. Cleaning front and rear derailleurs. Clean the front and rear derailleur pulleys with a brush, then wipe them clean with a cloth. 4. Clean brakes and pads. Use the sponge that is not contaminated by grease to wipe the brakes and then use the dry towel to wipe again. 5. Clean the frame and wheels. Wet the frame and wheels and wipe them with a wet towel. Use a brush and detergent to clean corners. 6. Rinse, wipe and oil. Rinse the entire bike with water after cleaning, and then wipe it clean with a dry towel, especially focusing on the brake and transmission systems. Note that the chain must be re-oiled at the end. Thanks for watching. Don't hesitate to leave a message regarding the cleaning if you have anything to share. We are looking forward to your idea and story.